guys, P. Joe in Pattaya. Have a look at that. Sunday 8th of August. Beach still closed, that's why there's no one on here. All the boats sitting there idle. It's about 31 degrees, a little bit overcast but still hot. Everything's still closed, of course. Thought we'd give you a look today down at Walking Street. I haven't been down there for a little while. COVID cases still hanging around, the bad mark. Let's hope it gets better soon. Oh, Pattaya Beer Garden, a great spot, that'll come back. Nearly every McDonald's is now closed as well. They could only do takeaway only. Look at there, Pattaya Beer Garden. They're redoing that. And Walking Street, they put the new sign up about a year ago. Fortunately, there's been no people here. We'll see what they've done down here, anything new. That's new, the Ganja Cafe. Ganja Cafe. There's a few new places they built down here. Unfortunately, they didn't get a chance to open. That giant lobster up there. That place had a fire, burnt down, but they built it back up, ready to open. Some cool clubs down this place. Wish they were all open. Let's have a look up here, a couple of go-go's. We'll come back around. Even little hotels up here, you'd never know we're up here. Scooters Bar. The Dollhouse. What little bars around here? No. The Dollhouse. Beavers a go-go. So many little clubs. Don't know the name of this soy. It's just off Walking Street. Even Shark a go-go. That was the ice bar. Freezing cold in there, you need a jacket in there. Oh, Soy 15, there you go. Off Walking Street. The Candy Shop, great club there, and upstairs 808 nightclub. Now this place here, Soy Diamond, I think they used to call it. Look at the bars here. Sit here 20 years ago, these places were busy here. Even the carousel bars here. Sit, they'd spin around those bars. Go to the toilet, come back, you can't find your drink. Cool little bars. Annabelle's, and of course the infamous Windmill a Go-Go, one of our old favourites. We love that. Oh, just up here, look, the Le Pub. Heard of that? Le Pub. See that? Le Pub. Cops Bar, lots of little stuff around. Yes, Windmill a Go-Go, it's cool. Go up. Heaven Club was upstairs there. Yeah, I think 20 years ago. The times change. House of Madness Club up there. Never been up there. Yeah, things all change slowly over time. Fortunately, this COVID situation's put a big stop on everything. Lucifer Club, great club in there. All roller shutters at the moment. They redid the drainage, of course, along here. Probably not quite finished. Old Russian clubs in there, I think. Marine Disco used to go up there, all flashing lights, great nightclub till 6 o'clock in the morning. That's the old Thai boxing ring. Used to watch the Thai boxing there. So many bars we used to sit along here. A lot of lady boys in that area, that bar I think. Are all gathering dust now, waiting to reopen, or everything's for rent. And there's Insomnia, high bar in there, great club. Even that, Hot Tuna, live bands in there, sit in the street there, great. But look at this, roller shutters everywhere. I wish I could show you places that were open, but Soy 16, that Ras place there, that used to be a rolling live open air bar in there on the corner. I remember going there. That place has been stripped. There you go. Crazy Russian Girls, that'd be a good one. And that little place, little alleyway there, Russian Showgirls. You can see the water through there, you get nice waterfront spots, some of these restaurants. But it's crazy to think, 2 years ago you couldn't move around this place. Now you're lucky to see one person. It's a nice little beachfront bar there. Looks alright. Pizzas as well. And cool little spots. And the Siam Elephant restaurant. And this hotel here is pretty cool. They have a nice area over there as well on the beachfront. You can see here still doing the drainage, putting the pits in, whatever they're doing. Putting the big concrete pits. There's a couple of nightclubs just here too. This is down near the Bali High Pier. Look up there, the Crocodile Head. Mixed discotheque up there. I think there was a couple up in there as well. The Loving Museum, never heard of that. But I just thought I'd give you a look, guys. Walking street. Here, let's go have a look at the water here. Get through here, look. You can drive on the beach. Hey, look at that. Yeah, my own little private beach. Here we are, Pattaya Beach, Sunday, 1 o'clock, dead as. And that pier would normally be bustling, thousands of tourists. Koh Larn closed at the moment, and when they do reopen, we're